Brianna here with Delphi at DXC. Today, I'm speaking with Dean Pappas, Managing Partner for AD&M. Dean, what are you seeing as future focus areas within aerospace and defense?
Thank you, Brianna. We're seeing a shift in military strategy from a few programs delivering large equipment to many smaller programs rapidly designing, engineering, and building and delivering large quantities of smaller equipment.
This sounds like a big challenge for defense contractors.
Yes, it is. This requirement will force AD companies to adopt digital technologies, including digital twins, digital thread, and connected ecosystems. We've already seen one of our defense clients award a contract to a small shipbuilder who was more digital and agile than a known established builder. We're also seeing a demand to help enable a broadly skilled, diverse, multi-generational workforce. A digital native generation working alongside lifelong labor. Employee experience and organizational change playing a key role in overall mission success.
How is DXC helping clients respond to this new market demand?
We're helping our clients in 5 key ways. Digitizing OT equipment and processes, developing digital thread strategies and programs, building digital twin environments, delivering high-performance computing capabilities, some of which are even emissions-free, and bringing more innovation to our clients to deliver for their customers.
That's great, Dean. Where can our audience go to learn more?
Work with our portfolio leaders, Lisa Yarbrough or Dr. Aditi Banerjee, or contact me directly. We're all here to help.
Thanks for joining me today. See you all soon at Delphi at DXC.